This is the County Road 650 East grade crossing, located on the BNSF Mendota Sub, west of Buda, Illinois. Here we have two older gated signals, each with LED lights and one E-bell. This is overlooking south. You look here at the northern signal. Apologize for the winds today. We had some bad storms yesterday and brought some big winds with them. Lights, we got 12 by 20 inch Safetran frames with Dialight Ball LEDs inside. Here's the dot tag. Dot number is 079713E. Got a single-sided WRRS base. Gate mechanism, we got a US&S Model 95 Style 1 with the Wishbone style gate mount. Side view lights with a WRRS junction box. Back view of the lights. This gate has a newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. And up top we have a GS Type 2 E-bell. Here's a back view of the northern signal. Here's an overview now looking north. You look here at the southern signal. Lights, same thing, 12 by 20 inch Safetran frames with Dialight Ball LEDs inside. Dot tag again. Got another single-sided WRS base. Another US&S Model 95 Style 1 gate mechanism with the Wishbone style gate mount. Side view lights with a WRRS junction box. Back view of the lights. This gate also has the newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. I believe both gates have the old striping underneath them. I know this one does. And here's a back view of the southern signal. There's the relay bungalow in the southwest quadrant. Grade here is all concrete. Track you facing west towards Neponset, Galva, Watauga, and Galesburg. And track you facing east into Buda and towards Wyatt, Princeton, Mendota, and eventually Aurora. So these signals were installed probably in the early 70s or maybe even the 60s by the Burlington Northern. Originally they likely had WRS gate mechanisms on them, and then BNSF later replaced them with the current US&S Model 95 ones. The light frames, I think, were replaced by Burlington Northern back in the 90s. These probably would have had 12 by 20 inch federal signal frames, or maybe even like cast iron 8-inch lights originally, though I have no confirmation of that. And then BNSF upgraded lights to LED in 2011, and yeah, crossing's been mostly the same ever since, although now crossing's getting a massive change. As you can see, BNSF has a new relay bungalow loaded on the truck there. They just brought that out here this morning. They brought this one out here, and then they also got a new one at County Road 450 out by Neponset. I don't know if they're going to replace the ones there because they already installed new ones in 2022, but this one 100% is getting brand new signals really soon. They were spotted sitting in Neponset. They just haven't brought them out here yet, along with the new foundations. So yeah, this crossing is about to get new signals here very soon. I'm going to be leaving for Pennsylvania tomorrow, so I won't be able to keep track of this, unfortunately. But I imagine by the time I get back, the new signals will be in, and if not, then it'll probably be shortly after, probably like in May or something. But yeah, another crossing to fall this year on the Mendota. There's a lot of them that are getting replaced this year. So yeah, soon to be rest in peace to these signals. This has been the County Road 650 East grade crossing.